from a statement question pattern. An organic compound X having molecular formula C5H10O can show various properties depending on its structure. Draw each of the structures if it. So you have to arrive at 3 structures having the same molecular formula C5H10O connected to these clues given. Now we are going to explore this question, how to do it. Gives positive iodoform test. Okay, you know the molecular formula given to you is C5H10O. And you also know that it gives positive iodoform test. Positive iodoform test means what? The presence of methyl ketonic group is compulsory, or that group should be produced during the course of the reaction. Then only it can show positive iodoform test, right? Now, so this is fixed because the key is, the clue given to you is positive iodoform test. Now, out of 5 carbons, we accommodated 2. Remaining 3 are there. So we can arrange them in 2 patterns. One is arrange them straight. Next one is arrange them in branched format. Both will give you the same molecular formula. We'll check. Here it is 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 1 plus 3, 4. So it is methyl normal propyl. This is normal propyl group, methyl N-propyl ketone or pentan 2-on. What about this one? 3 plus 1, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3. So this is methyl isopropyl, this isopropyl group, methyl isopropyl ketone, and or it is 3-methyl butan 2-on. Now let's see whether they are satisfying the given molecular formula. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C5. H, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 3, 10. O. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 3, 10. O. So, both of them are satisfying the given molecular formula. At the same time, they have the methyl ketone group, so they will answer iodoform test. So, these 2 are the possible structures for part A. Clear? Practice. Then, the next question is, the next one is, shows Cannizzaro reaction. Cannizzaro reaction is given by what type of compounds? Aldehydes without alpha hydrogen atom, right? So, we are going to see what are the possibilities there. Cannizzaro reaction. So, Cannizzaro reaction means aldehyde, but without alpha hydrogen atom. That means the carbon connected to it should not have any alpha hydrogen atom. Means all these are satisfied. Okay. So let us, because already we put 2 carbon atoms. Now we have to put how many more? 3 more. So let's try in this way. CS3 thrice CCHO. You know it's an aldehyde without alpha hydrogen atom. So it will definitely undergo Cannizzaro reaction if tried. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C5, H, 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9, plus 1, 10, and O. Yes, it undergoes Cannizzaro reaction, isn't it? So, you can write the Cannizzaro reaction of this. It is better if you present the reactions also. That is, if it is reacting with concentrated alkalis. For example, this itself is a board question in some of the papers. So, I am just giving you the reaction, that's all. Now, what will be the products formed in Cannizzaro? You know, in Cannizzaro, there will be 2 molecules used. One for oxidation, one for reduction. Self-oxidation and reduction, which is nothing but disproportionation. So, first one will, the CHO will change into COOH during oxidation. This H will get replaced by Na because the acid will combine with the base to form salt. So, it will be COONA. Plus, the second molecule, this CHO will get reduced into primary alcoholic group. So, the second product will be CS3 thrice C, and in the place of CHO, you have to put CS2OH. And I would like to tell you that many students, I would say approximately 80% of the students make a mistake in this product. Because they simply think that, CHO they will replace by OH. They think, oh, one is the sodium salt or potassium salt of the acid and one is the alcohol. Straight away they put OH here, which is wrong. Then you're removing one carbon atom, which is not the correct formula then. So register CHO will change into CS2OH. Register it well. Okay, not that CHO is replaced by OH. CHO is replaced by, it is getting reduced to CS2OH. Aldehyde getting reduced to primary alcohol. Clear? Okay. Now, so this is the part B answer. Now part C, reduces Tollens reagent and has a chiral carbon. Reduces Tollens reagent means what? It should be an aldehyde, right? Then only it can reduce Tollens reagent. And it has a chiral carbon, means carbon should be connected to 4 different groups. So let us try how to do it. The expected molecular formula is C5H10O, right? So it should be an aldehyde to reduce Tollens reagent. And then it should have a chiral carbon. So, this carbon cannot be chiral. You have studied. This is C double bond OH. Double bonded, triple bonded carbons are not chiral. Register that also. Okay. So this cannot be chiral. Now carbon, then there should be 4 different groups. Already this group is different. Okay. Forget about it. Now let one be hydrogen. Now we have put 2 carbon atoms already. Now we have to put 3 more. So let me put 1 here and 2 here, or vice versa. I'll put 1 here and 2 here, whatever. Then this is methyl and this can be ethyl. See, it satisfied the hint in the question, right? Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C5, H. 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 7, 10. O. So this carbon has 4 different groups connected to it. Okay. So this is a chiral center. So it's satisfying reduction of Tollens reagent as well as having a chiral center, chiral carbon. So what is this actually? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2-methyl butanol. Okay. That is all about that question. Hope it is clear. Practice. Organic chemistry is all about practicing and written practice, not simply reading practice. Okay. Now the next question. Write the reactions involved in the following. Wolff-Kishner reduction, Hell-Volhard-Zelinsky reaction. I just included this question to show you that it is also asked in 2023, but no plans to explain a name reaction here. You just practice from the textbook. There's no application pretty direct. So we have completed this session. I hope all these questions are okay for you. You got the ideas properly and the applications properly. See you inside for the next session. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, as I always tell you. And also make sure to watch all the other videos which I have uploaded in my channel. Okay? It will help you a lot.